Hello, students. We all know the rhyme, Twinkle, Twinkle, Little Star. But do you know who the true little stars of nature are? Yes, the honeybees. Sing with me.